Hey everybody, this is Kirby Chan from Kirby Chan & Co. And today we have this amazing house for you to tour at 220 Simonston Blvd. Now what I love about this model is this two-story large window that in the morning all the sunlight fills in this room. And the owner has done multiple renovations to this house so that you can move in immediately. Now the basement has great potential because it has a separate entrance and it has the potential for you to modify into an auxiliary unit where you can rent it out. Now let's not wait any longer. I know you want to see the house, so come on in and let's take a look. So what did you think? Can you see your family living here? It's a beautiful home and call me to see it in person. Book your private showing at 416-305-8008 or clientcare@kirbychan.com. 如果想預約參觀，請致電416-305-8008 call 我啦，我係 Kirby Chan. I'm Kirby Chan from Kirby Chan & Co. Thank you very much.